Your entry door does more than welcome guests. It protects your home, improves energy efficiency, and plays a big role in curb appeal. In Taylor, MI, where homes face freezing winters, humid summers, and everything in between, an aging or damaged entry door can quietly become a problem. Knowing when it's time to replace your entry doors can save you money, improve comfort, and boost your home's value. Here are the most common signs Taylor homeowners should watch for. Drafts and temperature changes near the door. If you feel cold air creeping in during winter or hot air sneaking inside during summer, your entry door may no longer be sealing properly. Gaps, worn weather stripping, or warping can allow outside air to pass through, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In Taylor's climate, even small drafts can lead to noticeably higher energy bills. Replacing an old door with a modern, energy-efficient option helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures and reduces monthly utility costs. Difficulty opening or closing the door. A door that sticks, scrapes the floor, or won't close smoothly is more than just annoying. It's often a sign of structural issues. Over time, moisture, temperature changes, and settling can cause doors to warp or frames to shift. If repairs keep popping up or the door never quite feels right, replacement is often the most reliable long-term solution. A properly installed entry door should open and close effortlessly while sealing securely every time. Visible damage or wear. Cracks, peeling paint, rust, dents, or rotting wood are clear indicators your entry door has seen better days. Beyond aesthetics, visible damage can weaken the door's structure and reduce its ability to protect your home. In Taylor, exposure to snow, rain, ice, and sun can accelerate wear, especially for older doors. Replacing a worn door improves both durability and appearance, instantly refreshing the look of your home's exterior. Rising energy bills without explanation. If your heating or cooling costs have increased but your usage hasn't changed, your entry door could be part of the problem. Older doors often lack proper insulation and modern sealing technology, allowing energy to escape. New entry doors are designed with insulated cores, tighter seals, and energy-efficient materials that help keep conditioned air inside. This upgrade can make a noticeable difference in comfort and long-term savings. Outdated style that hurts curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If it looks outdated, faded, or mismatched with your exterior, it can detract from curb appeal, even if the rest of your home looks great. For Taylor homeowners thinking about resale or simply wanting a refreshed look, replacing an entry door is a smart investment. Modern designs, colors, and finishes can dramatically enhance your home's appearance. Security concerns. An older entry door may lack the strength and locking technology needed to keep your home secure. Weak materials, worn hinges, or outdated locks can make your home more vulnerable. New entry doors are built with reinforced frames, stronger materials, and advanced locking systems that provide peace of mind. If security has been on your mind, a replacement door can offer immediate reassurance. When replacement makes sense. If you're dealing with multiple issues, drafts, damage, rising energy bills, or security concerns, it's usually more cost-effective to replace the door rather than continue making temporary repairs. A new entry door improves comfort, safety, efficiency, and style all at once. For homeowners in Taylor, MI, upgrading your entry doors isn't just about looks, it's about creating a warmer, safer, and more efficient home that's ready for Michigan's changing seasons. If you're noticing these signs, it may be the perfect time to explore your entry door replacement options and invest in an upgrade that truly makes a difference.